Well, hey there guys, got another video here for you. This one's going to be a Sesamee 900, part of their 900 series. And this padlock's going to be called Mr. Blue. It's got a real nice finish on it. You guys have all seen these before. And I got all the colors, so when I post the videos, I'll try to separate the videos with different lock models, so they're all not the same model. But there's a look at it. Looks really, really good. These locks are made in Taiwan, I believe. Go ahead and show you guys if the lock is working. There it is unlocked. Go ahead and lock them back up. And show you guys the key bitting. There's the key bitting right there. It is a 5-pinner. This one does have security pins in it. And I know the ones I sent to Bill didn't. I did not plan that. That's just how they come. So if you do get these locks, I try to definitely get them with security pins. There's a look at the keyway. They are fun to pick. Go ahead and get my tension tool set up. I'll be using my Peterson Prybar, the thick one. Tension top of the keyway here. There we go. And to pick the lock, I'll be using my Peterson #1 hook pick from his Slender Series. It seems to really work well inside the keyway for these locks. And like I said, this one does have security pins in it. But just messing around with it, it is easy to pick past the security pins. Sometimes without even getting a false set. Just go in here, gently pushing up on the pins. Gotta move my Zippo out of the way. Get the keys put up over here. Alrighty. Just pushing up on those pins using light tension. I think this lock has serrated pins in it. Got another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one set at the front of the keyway when I barely touched it. Let's see. I think I'm getting into the spool pin part. Let's see. Just keep gently pushing up on my pins. There's another one. There's another one. Another one. This lock's wanting to be camera shy for some reason. I think I'm oversetting one of the pins. Let's try this again. Go ahead and let them drop all the way back down. Release tension and try again. Back of the keyway. Just gently pushing up on my pins. Alright, there was the first one. I got a little baby false set out of them. Got another one. Another. Alright, there's a little bit more of a false set. Barely touched that last pin, deeper false set. I think that is the one that was holding me up, was that last pin. So there it is, picked open. not very quick, but rest assured these locks aren't that bad. They're pretty fun. I think these might be a little bit easier to get open than, say, the Americans with security pins, for me anyway. But there's a look at it, picked open. Go ahead and close them back up. Real nice looking padlock. I really, really like these. Anyway, as always, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate all your views and comments. And like I said, when I post the rest of this series up, I'll try to break it up with different lock models. As always, guys, thank you for watching. You guys have a good one.